You all, we need to have a quick conversation and it needs to be urgent and right now. So, I am one of those people who really believes in manifestation. Like, if you see it, if you believe it, if you say it is so, then it will be. And months ago, probably remember around Black Friday, I had purchased all kinds of random things. One of the things I did was a huge t-shirt haul. I bought a bunch of them that were around sneakers, and there was one in particular that I put to the side and saved, and it was this t-shirt here. And it has the deconstructed or pixelated Jordan 4 sneaker on there. And I was, for years we have been talking about things that have been on my wish list. And the Jordan 1s, 3s, and 4s were on my list. And I've gotten several ones. I have a pair of 3s thanks to my girlfriend out in Delaware. And this was the only one that was left. So I purchased this t-shirt saying that when the time came when I found the perfect Jordan 4 sneakers, I would rock this t-shirt with those sneakers. And the reason why I picked the blue t-shirt as opposed to any other color is, one, blue is my favorite color, but my holy grail would be a pair of Jordan 4s that had blue in them. And it had to be the perfect blue. And lo and behold, it dropped. On May 3rd, the perfect pair of J4s dropped, you all. Let me get right into it. You all, I found my favorite pair of Jordan 4 sneakers. They are a new drop, a new release that came out for Mother's Day. These are called the J4 aluminums, but they are belovedly called the forget-me-nots because look at the box. It has flowers all on them. These are forget-me-not flowers. Let me show you the sneaker. So, it comes with this little messaging thing. It's like wrapped like with twine. And it has this little messaging on here. And the message says, "In fields of blue where forget-me-nots sway, an ode to those who guided our way. We present these flowers for all the support and for the courage to step on the court. Each petal a thank you for all that you do. Every shot taken is taken for you." How cute! So let's look at the shoes. So the reason why I say this is the perfect blue is because I always say that my favorite color is blue, and that's very, very generic. But actually my very, very favorite color blue is periwinkle blue. And look what they went and did, y'all. And then here on the laces, they have these appliques that you can slide these off of the laces if you want to, but why would I do that? But they have these little forget-me-not flower appliques along the laces, but if you wanted to, you could just, untie the whole shoe, slide them off. I do have to adjust these because I like my shoes tied a certain way, but I do have to adjust these. But look at that. I don't know if you can see. Hopefully I'm doing a cutaway so you can see the shoe in all its glory. It has all the classic elements of the Jordan 4. It's not like a flanker kind of, I don't know what the word is when it's like the shoe itself, but they do like a little variation. But it has all the classic elements. On the back, it has this bit here, this flap here, and the Jordan man on here, and it has the caging and it has everything, y'all, that I want in a Jordan 4. And believe it or not, I didn't get these on sale. You know me, my MO is like, if it ain't on sale, I don't want it. But I wanted these, and I paid full price for these. So these effectively are the most expensive pair of shoes I have ever purchased in my life. Ever in my life. These are the most expensive pair of shoes. Now, my husband has purchased shoes for me that cost more than a pair of Jordans. But for me, with my own point, this is the most expensive pair of shoes that I have ever purchased in my life. Probably will only be the only expensive pair of shoes moving forward. Like, this is the first and last. But I am in love, y'all. I can't wear them. I'm like nervous to wear them too, because you know how do you want to keep them pristine and clean. But I do. I buy my shoes to wear them. I don't buy them to look at them. Some collectors are good about that. They'll buy more than one, where there's one that they wear and there's one that they'll save. But the way not the way my finances are set up, but the way my financial acumen is set up, I'm not doing it that way. I don't really, yeah. Anyway, I buy them to wear them, and the other pair of money can go towards an investment of some sort. But loving the shoes. I wanted to share this with you. Now I do have something to wear my shirt with, and I think that's it, y'all. Like in terms of Jordans, I have, like I said, several ones. I have the threes and I have the fours. There aren't any of them that really blow up my skirt like that anymore. Um, with respect to Jordans, I have what I have. I have what I need. Now, in the event that my ones, threes, and fours get torn up, maybe I'll purchase others to like replace and replenish. But as in terms of like something on my wish list, I have fulfilled the wish list when it comes to my Jordan sneakers. So we're good, y'all. I'll have to revisit my wish list to see what else is left. See if I've gotten everything that's on my wish list. But I feel like since I've started this show, I've made several wish lists. I think like some things are like on me to get, like abs and stuff. But otherwise, I think I might have. I'm gonna do a video. We're gonna talk about all the things that I wished for and manifested and gotten over the years. And let's see if there's anything left, and maybe we focus on those things to just kind of check everything off. I think a lot of times when we all have like wish lists and things that we want to do, it's not really about the thing. It's about the journey. It's about the hunt, and it's both for me. These types of things bring me joy. Every time I use them, I like fragrances and shoes and things like every single time that I use them, I am filled with joy. So I feel like I've been doing the right thing. I'm not buying things just for the sake of buying things, for the sake of saying that I have the thing. It literally brings me joy. The moment that it stops bringing me joy, I will stop doing it. But I'm happy, y'all. And that's all I wanted to share with you is that I got these shoes. Now, my sneaker buying, does it stop? No. My sneaker buying continues. It's just the Jordan 1, 3s, and 4s have been fulfilled, you all. All right. That's enough for today's video. A really quick one because I just needed to have this conversation quite urgently with you because these came in the mail and I needed to share. Bye, you all. Subscribe for more videos like this. Let me know down in the comments down below what you thought. If you're interested in Jordans, if you like these Jordans, subscribe for more videos. Bye.
Rocky, she's just a fashion girl from Chicago. Rocky, just a fashion girl.